How to delete your high school on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your high school on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now click settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find profile information. This one, click on it, and here all you need to do just click this pin here and then click delete scroll, and click OK, or you can click edit scroll and then click delete scroll, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.